Now I'm just going to dust it with a little bit of cornstarch and sugar. It's just to keep my hands from sticking while I smooth it. And I like to use a fondant smoother. I don't want that to stick and tug on my fondant. And the top is what people are going to mostly see. You're going to put the collar and the tie and so forth on there. So you want your top to be really, really smooth. The sides, doesn't matter so much. That's going to be in the box. So now you want to take your corners, lift up, and smooth down. Lift out while you smooth down. There we go. Same here, lift out. And I just use the curve on the inside of my hand. If you're like me and you've got long nails, be very, very careful. It's very easy to accidentally put one of your fingernails in the fondant. I know this because I've done it. So if you end up, when you're smoothing your sides, if you get a crease or a pleat of some sort in there, don't worry yourself too much, because this is, remember, going to be sitting down inside the box. Alright, now we're just going to take off the rest of that extra fondant. Now you may have some spots where a little bit of buttercream got on your foil. You can just take a paper towel to that and just clean that up if you need to.